For a better experience when watching this video, I recommend you to use headphones, and what you are listening to right now is the Sony ECM M1 on-camera microphone. And this right here is my Electro-Voice RE20 microphone, which is a really nice microphone, which I use here in the studio for a few years now, and I really love it. And this is with all the processing that is made by the DBX286S, which sits right here in the audio rack. And let's turn the processing off, because we will compare in this video this microphone with the new Sennheiser MKH 416 new. Not new, very old, but I've just got it. For sure, you have heard this microphone on a lot of films. It is one of the most used shotgun microphones, and I really wanted it for 7 years, I think, and never got the chance to get it because there wasn't any good offer at any time. It was full price, $1,000 for most of the time, but recently, just a few days ago, I found it on a really good offer, $700. Awesome deal. And it is brand new, not secondhand, not used, not a showroom microphone. As you saw earlier, it was and it is brand new. Didn't got the chance to test it yet, but this is where we are going forward to. Yeah, this is how the RE20 sounds like. I like it a bit better over the Shure SM7B, which I have somewhere behind and I still use. A really nice microphone also. A lot of people get the SM7B because they've seen it on other people's channels and because it is popular, but over 50% of the people that have the SM7B don't really have it because they know what the microphone is capable of, or because they like the sound of it, because they compared it with another microphone or maybe more other microphones, but yeah, they have it because it's popular, and this is not a bad thing. In my opinion, it is better that people have SM7Bs than microphones made by keyboard companies. So yeah, anyway, let's go further with this test and let's connect the MKH 416 on this boom. Oh, I forgot to tell you that I have a new boom arm from Elgato, and I've got it to mount the microphone in this configuration, right, as you can see here, and I've discovered something very interesting about it. It is my first time when I'm using the RE20 microphone angled down towards my chest, and the sound improved. I wasn't expecting that, but the sound is a bit richer, I can say. I don't know how to describe it, but it is better. Didn't expect that. This is the way that I will angle my microphones from now on, and also it is better because now I can move my hands freely. You can watch my other videos on the channel to see how I was using my microphones, what arm I was using, and it wasn't bad. It is not bad. I will still use it in my future videos, but this solution is better. So yeah, lovely microphone, the RE20, and right now I will do the same take but for my main channel in another language, and I will switch up the microphones. I forgot to show you the microphone without the sock on it, and yes, I used this sock. I have 2 pairs custom made for it because I don't want to get it full of dust, and also I don't like spitting on the microphone, and I find it easier to wash the sock every 2 or 3 weeks than cleaning the microphone itself, and it also keeps it in a brand new condition. Maybe I am too obsessed, I don't know, but yeah, I have these 2 socks custom made. They fit the microphone perfectly. 45 dB. Ooh, whoa. I already like the microphone. Oh my god. Let me check the levels. It is a bit too much. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, I already love how this microphone sounds on my voice, and I wasn't expecting this. Wow. I am so happy right now. I am somewhere over 40 dB of gain. phantom power turned on, of course, and this microphone, wow. It sounds amazing. It sounds really amazing. And this is without any processing. Okay, let me chill out. Here, without processing, you heard how the RE20 sounded like. Not to mention how an SM7B would sound like, because it would be a lot muddier than the RE20. Whew. Let me turn on my processing to see how this microphone sounds with the same processing that I was using on the RE20. And now, whoa, okay, the processing is, no, it is too much. It is too much, but what I can see and hear right now is that I can keep this microphone maybe at somewhere 10 inches away. Yeah, 10 inches away, and it will still sound amazing. And it is not angled perfectly. As you can see, I am leaning over, but man, okay. I want to do this part without the processing and let you hear the raw microphone, the raw sound that comes straight out of the MKH 416 with just phantom power turned on and 40 somewhere, maybe 41 dB of gain, approximate. It sounds amazing. The price that I've got the microphone for was maybe better than second hand. Amazing. Okay, I am not sure if I will use it every day on my videos. I really need to listen to the microphone to see if I like it better for everyday use than my RE20, and then I can decide. But of course, for sure, you will see in the future videos that I will make on this channel. Another microphone that I would love to add to the collection would be the MKH 50, but it is a lot more expensive. For the price of the MKH 50, I could have get two Sennheiser MKH 416s and also have money left for XLR cables and maybe other stuff. It is pretty expensive right now and also not in stock anywhere. I was thinking about getting a shock mount for it. As you can see, right now I am not using the microphone mounted on any shock mount, but on its original mount, and I have ordered the shock mount for it, which is an Rycot shock mount, but didn't get in time to the store to pick up my order, and normally I should go today. I might cancel my order, I'm not sure. I don't think it doesn't sound like it would need a shock mount used in this configuration, of course. And also, of course, if you want the best sound possible and not hear anything like this, you will need a shock mount. Yeah, you will definitely need a shock mount. But yeah, this is how the MKH 416 sounds on my voice. I was very skeptical. I've got it yesterday and I didn't had time to film the unboxing, to make the unboxing, and to test it. After maybe 18 hours, I can say that I am really happy, and the treatment that I have in this room is enough in my opinion, as I can hear my microphone. Of course, some of you might be sound engineers and hear a lot of defects in the sound, and I agree. This room isn't treated with any logic in mind, but the one, how to say, I needed to eliminate the echo. The room was very echoey. It is not a small room, it is average, let's say, over 4 meters by 4 meters, and the downside, I think, is that the ceiling is very high, over 3 meters, somewhere let's say 3.5, and there was a lot of echo, and I've bought all the foam panels. What I have done was mounting panels on the ceiling and installing carpet on the floor, and everything was eliminated. The echo was eliminated completely when I have mounted the panels on the ceiling, because until then, with all this treatment, there was an improvement, but it wasn't as it should be. There was a very ugly reflection from the ceiling, and the foam panels that are over my head really helped eliminate that, and I'm pretty happy, because the sound, if this method didn't work, the sound would have been horrible right now. So yeah guys, MKH 416, the sound is amazing, and conclusion, the MKH 416 sounds amazing. What I can hear with my ears is that this microphone is a lot more detailed than the RE20 or the SM7B, and also compared to my first microphones, which were from Audio-Technica, the 80-2020 and the 80-2050, there's no comparison. It is warm enough, it has a lot of details, the processing is turned off, the S's don't seem to be anywhere out of the way. I usually have a bit of harsh S's, and doesn't seem to annoy me in the headphones right now. So yeah, it is a really amazing microphone. But if you want to get this microphone, be very careful where do you plan to use it, because as I saw, a lot of voice actors recommend that the MKH 416 to be used in a place where there aren't as many reflections. I needed to insert this part because I am so excited about the microphone and didn't talk in a more technical way. But yeah, I've said and I will say a lot that I'm happy and it sounds good, because it really sounds good. This is how the MKH 416 sounds without the foam windscreen on it. And as I can hear, the low end is a bit different, and the highs are a bit more pronounced, or something like this. I can say that I prefer the sound of it when it has the windscreen on. What do you think? Tell me in the comments. If you want to see more content with this microphone, and not only this one, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, because this channel is about my studio passion, YouTube passion, which consists of computers, audio gear, video gear, and tips and tricks. Maybe I don't have the content ready for all the areas that I would like to cover on this channel, but if you are a studio nerd like me, studio nerd, is that a term? I don't know. Don't forget to subscribe and also hit the like button. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Sounds amazing. They call me a